students. Today we are going to learn about the banking. As we know that banking system is the backbone of economy. So in any country there are two kinds of bank. One is commercial bank, one is central bank. Central bank this is called apex body. सबसे उच्चतम जो है सबसे उच्च बॉडी होती है. It works like a regulatory and monetary body. It is central banks, they monitoring to all the commercial bank. Commercial bank means all the banks they deal with the public. That is called commercial bank. It performs the function of accepting deposits, granting loans, making investment with the aim of earning profit. Their objective is to earn profits. So commercial banks, whatever the bank we are looking in our nearby, like HDFC Bank, SBI Bank, ICICI Bank, in PNB banks, all the banks that is called commercial banks. So how they work actually commercial banks? So we know that there is households like the peoples who are saving the money, and what the banks does, the bank it works like intermediaries. And the household, the saving, they save the money, whatever they have the money, they save in the banks, and the banks they are giving to them borrowing at the rate of borrowing rate. They are giving interest to them to households, and household they save the money in the banks. They are getting interest in form of borrowing rate. And the banks what they do, they lend to money to others corporate and industries, and that work for the future growth and for the productive works. So here is we can understand here like 100 household they save money like 1,000 rupees in each day. So that means 1 lakh rupees they can save in the banks. In the 1 lakh rupees, 20% of the banks they will keep as a reserve, like that is called LRR, legal reserve ratio, and the rest amount 80% they will put in the they will put for the lendings. They will lend to others. So that is called in the microeconomics, lending rate minus borrowing rate, that is called a spread. In the banking system we can understand like the borrowing rate is like 3% they are giving interest to customers, to depositors, and lending rate they are giving to say like 10%. So the profit is they earn the money like 10% minus 3%. That means 7% they are getting profit as a bank. So how the lending rate minus borrowing, that is called the profit of the bank. So what is the primary function of the banks? We know that they are mainly accepting deposits in the form of current account. And we can open the current account. Yeah, we can say the demand deposit account. In the current account, mostly the business people they prefer to open the current account. They deal in the current accounts, and they are not getting interest in that one. Rather than banks, they are charged like service charges to them. Whereas other form of account is that is called fixed deposit or time deposit. That will be fixed for the time, and they are getting more interest on that. That is called fixed deposit. The other form of account is that is saving account, deposit, saving account. So it is the like combination of two, current account and fixed deposit or time deposit. They will work like some amount they can withdraw any times, and some amount would be fixed like a fixed deposit. So accepting deposit, this is like the same way. The other primary function of bank is advancing loan. They are giving loan to other people. They are giving loan to customers. The one is in the form of cash credit. How they give the cash credit against his current asset like shares, stocks, bonds. Some businessmen they are having assets like shares, stocks, bond. Against that one they can get the cash in a limited form. Whatever they have limitation, the bank they can give cash to them, they can charge interest for that. There is other one is demand loan, which can be demanded by the bank at any time. Any customer they can go in the banks, they can request for the loan, and they will charge for that one in the form of interest. They can charge that one. That is called demand loan. That is also function of the bank. The other function of the bank is advancing loan. How they are giving the short term loan. Short term loan means personal loan against like some collateral securities, some securities and mortgage. They are taking that one, and in the placement of that one they are giving short term loans to customers. So here we understand about that the banking system is the backbone of the economy. So we should understand about the commercial bank, and these are mainly the primary function of the banks. They are accepting deposit and granting deposit. So banking system plays an important role in the economy. So how much, like if the household they have good money, they have good savings, they can put in the bank and they can get the interest that one. And the banking system is good. They have a bank, they have money, they can lend to others for the future growth and industry and corporate. They can enjoy that one, and for the development it can work out. So whenever they have income, the people they have the incomes. Nowadays in the lockdowns, people are not having income. If the household they have the income, like they have the savings, that saving goes in the economy and that works for the development of the country. So saving is very important. When household they will have income, so this time the government should take such kind of actions. Government should put money in the form of in the saving accounts to the peoples of households. If they have the money, they can save the money, and that money they will go in the banks, and the bank they have the more money, they can lend to corporate industry. That will our vicious circle will be over, and our circulation of money will be good, flow of money will be good. Then our economic system will grow that one. So that this one we have studied that one. In next class we will study more about the secondary function of the banking system. Okay dear, have a nice day.